Hey guys, so today we are going to be organizing our fidgets. If you saw in the last video, it was a mess. So today we are going to be organizing them. Can't even see us with this. Yeah. Hey. Watch out. Hey. Watch out. Okay, so I am probably going to be holding the camera with my selfie stick. Okay, now you can tell them some stuff like...
Please click and subscribe.
Click and subscribe? What? You mean like?
Oh yeah, fine. Just like and subscribe. And make sure you make this awesome video.
Alright. Okay.
Oh yeah, and you know last time it was a disaster. And it was like only 20 minutes. About.
It was 20 minutes, Noah, not 30, or whatever you said.
I didn't say 30.
Oh, I don't know what you said. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold you guys, so.
You're shaking the camera.
Well, if you held it, you'd be like, bleh. Okay, so we're gonna be organizing our fidgets. So, you're gonna do this side of the bin, I'm gonna do this side of my bin.
Does that mean?
So, first I'm gonna put this first. Yes, you put your favorites first, maybe?
Okay. My
So
favorite.
first I'm going to be doing this. It's my very favorite.
Gong, gong, gong.
You gotta fold this, Noah.
Oh man, bummer, dude.
This doesn't even really fit. You can't. Like,
No,
look at
actually,
this.
no.
Look at this.
You're right. You're right. Great, dude. Put it on the ground.
I want to put it. Oops. Sorry. It's like my desk. I'm trying to align it with it. As good as it can get. Can you see me? It's my blanket.
Now it's too high. They can only
Not
see
that.
my face, not my.
Yeah, well, whatever. It's my video. It's my video.
So much to
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Why do you say click? You just do it.
Make it click about.
No, it's like and subscribe. Only if they can. What if they can't, Noah? So I'm going to do my biggest to smallest.
So I just. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see. That's mine.
Hey.
Surprisingly, this, my big puppet was way bigger than all of the rest.
So I think it was.
You don't need to do what I'm doing now. You can do whatever you want. It's your half of the bin. My hair's really messy. I had a shower. This is so cool! Whee! We're doing like another... So pretty much, we could have just done this instead of doing the first video we just did. So I'm sorry if you watched that, because this is like wasting your time. No, you can... No! You already used up the whole bin. You can do both sides. I'm going to kind of slant mine, I guess. So, it's...
Oh yeah.
I'm putting the Among Us
So
guys
like,
together.
remember the last time I showed you this? Oh no! Just go in the like for pop it. It's really cool. You can hang on your backpack and maybe even sneak it to school.
I sneak my stuff to school. Well, I'm allowed to bring it. I just can't place it at my desk.
Sometimes I even play with them on desk.
Do you get in trouble?
No. The teacher doesn't even see me when they're doing that.
Well, maybe she's going to watch this video and get mad at you.
Oh yeah.
So,
maybe.
pea popper,
Anyway, stuff, folks.
monkey needle, monkey needle,
Oh yeah, monkey.
monkey needle.
I think the folks see all the monkey noodles.
Yeah, no one has even more than me. Yeah, so many. I want the blue unicorn.
For the pink unicorn?
No, I'll trade you this one.
Fine.
Yay!
Yay!
Wait, can I show them? So it's kind of like a 3-in-1, organizing fidgets, showing you my fidgets, little trade. So I'm showing them. Why are you giving me that face? I gave him this for this. And I love it.
Hey,
So now I got 3
come
unicorns.
back.
Here. These are my favorite colors. gonna leave, I think, the pink one out because I'm gonna play it later. Blue's my favorite color.
I can tell that's your first favorite color.
No, you're taking up the whole bin.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You already. You used your half up right here. So you can put your stuff in the corners.
Ooh.
Noah's side is really like. Here, go use that bin too. No, I'm getting another bin. It's messy.
Hey, folks. Sorry if you can't see me very well.
They can barely even see you, Noah.
I know. Because I'm busy.
You're not busy.
Oh, kind of.
I just can't see you because you're too in that side. I like popping all my things because that's what I do.
Hey.
Why are you hating me? If you think this is like we're being nice to each other, we fight a lot.
Yeah, don't. No.
Like mega.
I feel like a mega.
Thumbs up if you have a sibling. Subscribe if you don't. They keep popping. I like putting them on the loud side. Oops, one's on not, but whatever. Okay, actually, I'll just fix it. What's this one? The one I got yesterday. Why are you taking my chair to the bathroom? Bro. What are you doing? Oh, I got some sort of thing on him. Noah, hurry. Let's try doing this video in 3 minutes. Are you done?
I think so.
Okay, Noah, yours is real messy.
This?
Look at this! I'm like reorganizing everything. Mochis. Mochis. That's how I say them. Mochis. Making needles again. I don't have more. I'm just putting these in again. Different spot. No, you're gonna break the bin.
Hello.
You're pulling it as I'm pulling it the other way. Squishy thing. If you're able to comment what this is.
You're supposed to. If you kids can comment.
Kids
please
and
comment.
adults.
Yeah, just please comment.
No, you're breaking my side too.
No?
Just stack it on top of each other.
It's gonna be more messier.
Well then,
More the
take it out and
merrier.
redo it.
More the merrier.
Yeah. But not when it comes to mess. It's the less the merrier. Ow, you scratched me.
Ow,
see
sorry. They can't see your hand.
Okay, whatever, we can't see it. Beep, popper, beep, beep.
Good idea.
Where's your pee popper, Noah?
Hey, Papa. I don't know.
Don't know.
Yep, that's me.
No kidding. Where'd my pee popper go? Oh, it's in
Hey,
there.
Papa.
No, you're taking over my side again with these monkey noodles. Put these somewhere else. Use that bin.
No.
Well, then get out of here.
Yeah.
It's my room. You're just taking over my side.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Sorry.
Well, it's not sorry when you're still doing it.
I'm trying to fix it.
Well, try harder. Mine's really cute. Noah's is just a disaster.
Yeah.
Noah!
I'm
Bro!
putting out puppets. What do you want?
You just stop being so messy.
That's so big.
Ooh.
Pikachu.
Use that bin, bro.
I don't want that.
Well then. Oh.
Eat my poo, no way.
Simple dimple.
Am I getting reach it?
No, give me it.
I like that guy.
No, give it back. We're doing a video. They don't need us doing our super fight. Wacky truck.
1 second, folks.
We call them folks. Turning into a snapper. Okay, so now it's a foreign one. Hey Noah!
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing where you were.
Right here, dude.
Snapper. Where's your wacky chat? Hello? Okay, well, where?
No. No.
I'll trade you my wacky track for this one. You already have one like this.
Nope.
For a different one. It's a different one.
Ooh. 5.
Okay, deal. Yay. Another trade.
Whee!
Just snapper.
That means I'm getting heavier.
This one's way harder to do. Which is not good, but good. Here, let me
Yes.
see it.
Dude.
But it's easier. I like it so more because yours is going to fall apart when you make something.
Huh?
But if you make like a snapper, it's just going to fall apart like what I did. So I kind of scammed you.
What was doing that?
Bro. You're like,
No. Wee. Dum.
to make it save room.
I'm not.
Mm. It's so hard to make these when I do it. Ah, whatever. Yeah. You buy the monkey noodles. Flour.
After you go brush your teeth.
Why don't I brush teeth? Oh, okay. I'm like, why don't I brush your teeth?
Easy, yeah.
Does it look like I changed?
Yes. Yes.
So this goes like that.
I think it's a yes. That's the second time.
Okay. And it's really messy because we don't really know how to do it. But here's the results. So this is my half. It's a bit neater. Here, wait. Look at this angle. So we got the puppets stacked, and then we got some stuff on the sides. Noah's view. So the top, it's kind of crazy. So here is all his puppets. Then he has like a secret compartment.
And then there's
And
then just jumps.
okay, here, can you see it? Okay, I don't know if you can see it. And then we got lots. So, oops, he had his butterfly puppet. He put everything on it. On top of that with stuff in like the small puppets. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today.
I hope you subscribe and the other thing I want to say.
Like?
Yeah, sure. Like and subscribe. I don't see it wrong again.
If this video gets to pick a number
Okay.
1 to 100.
100.
If this video gets 100 likes, Noah will start his own YouTube channel. Gaming, Mario Kart, lots of games. Or maybe we'll do one if we have time. I don't know. But 100 likes and he'll do one. Bye guys.